ever sat through a long meeting, scribble down notes, only to discover that they are messy, they are not organized, or maybe just hard to read? As a secretary or a virtual assistant, this is the pain that we all know. So today I'm going to show you exactly how I turn these messy notes into a professional, polished minute using ChatGPT. Okay, minutes of the meeting are always very important. As we all know, it contains what was discussed, the action points that we are taking, and what needs to happen next. But let's be honest with ourselves. During these meetings, it's very hard for us to type down accurately exactly what was said word to word, or to jot down everything. So we just end up writing shorthand, or we scribble down some things, just some points that needs to be translated later, and then we can update it into a full working document that is officially used by the organization. So when I use ChatGPT for this, it saves me hours, because when you need to do this manually, it takes time. And in just a few simple steps, you can turn your minutes into documents that you can share professionally. So let me walk you through the workflow. First things first, just gather your messy notes and put them together, whether they are in notebooks, they are in Word documents, or you just type them down. Just make sure that they are in one place. So after that, you just have to upload it to ChatGPT. You don't need to worry if they are incomplete or if they are messy. Just gather them together. So I usually make my own into Word documents. I type, I jot down notes while in the meeting. So I just put it into my doc and then upload it to ChatGPT. You don't need to worry. ChatGPT can handle raw data. So when I upload it to ChatGPT, I just type in a prompt. I'm going to write the prompt down in the description so you can check it later. So rewrite these notes. Okay, here is the tip. You can add agenda, decisions, action items, but I'll just leave mine like this. You can add whatever you want to make it even more organized. So I'll just hit send, and within seconds, ChatGPT generates a clean version. You'll see your scattered points turned into structured paragraphs, headings, and bullet points if needed. It's almost ready to send, but take a minute to quickly review. Make sure all critical points are included and correct anything that might have been misinterpreted. Usually the output is spot on, but a quick skim never hurts. So once you're happy with your output, simply copy the polished minutes into Word, Google Docs, or whatever tool your organization uses. From there, you can add your company's formatting, logos, or signatures, and that's it. What once could take hours is now done in minutes. So here is tip. Just use consistent prompts. Like I said, is in the description. Highlight action items and edit whatever you need to edit, and that's all. So even if you attended different sections, you can merge everything coherently. So that's my workflow for turning messy meeting notes into professional, ready to share minutes using ChatGPT. So if you're a virtual assistant, you're a secretary, or anyone that is handling minutes, you just have to try this method and watch how much time it saves you. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video turns up, so you don't miss productivity videos like this. Let me know in the comments how you use AI to improve your workflow. I would love to hear your ideas.